Hello dear friends, welcome to MS Excel class. I hope you all are well. Okay, in the previous sections of MS Excel, we have discussed about Home tab. Okay, you are aware about Home tab. In this section, I am going to explain in MS Excel the Insert tab. Okay, see here how to open MS Excel and all and how to work with the Home tab, that also you discussed in the previous classes. In this class, we are going to discuss Microsoft Excel's Insert tab. In the Insert tab, you are having first group tables. In that tables, you are having pivot table and table option. If you move on this, you are getting the note, just you can read. And next, in a Insert tab, you are having illustrations. In a illustrations, it is similar to MS Word. You are having here picture option, clip art option, shapes option, smart art. Okay, in a last previous sem, you studied this one, illustrations. Next, you are having chart here, charts. Different types of charts are there. In detail, we are going to study these charts. Example here, column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, okay, scatter chart. Okay, so many different charts are there. Next, you are having links. In that, hyperlink option is there. This also we discussed in MS Word while studying MS Word. And next, you are having one more group, that is text group. In that, you are having text box, header and footer, word art, signature line, object, symbol. Okay, these are the main groups are there in Insert tab of MS Excel. Okay, I am Rajeshwari. Today I am going to explain the tables group and illustrations group. Okay, listen carefully. And if you have PC at home or laptop, please practice this and see all the options thoroughly. If you have any doubts, you can send me a queries. Okay, just we'll discuss the same option through practically. I'll show the practical itself. By that, it will be easy for you to understand the options. Okay, in a tables, we are discussing first table. Just move on the table, your mouse pointer. You are having here shortcut keys Ctrl+T to activate the table. It is used to create a table and you can manage, analyze the related data. And you can sort also, you can do the filtration also, and you can format the data within your worksheet. Okay, first click on tables. Here it's showing only the E10 as a data for your table. You can change that. Okay, you can select the area where you want to place your table. I'll select this area. Okay, I am taking only the 5 columns over here. 5 columns. Okay, columns are named as F, G, H, I, J. And the rows. Okay, I am taking rows and a column. I'll select that one. Just I'll select this much. Okay, just I am pressing OK. Okay, automatically one table will be displayed on the screen. See here, this is formatted table. Here you can type the information. Just I have selected 5 columns here. This is your header row. Column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, it's there. Just I am typing here name. Okay, just if you are entering your test marks, then you can give name of the student. Then you can give, okay, first I'm giving, okay, register number. Okay, then name. Then you can give here test1 mark and test2 mark, then total. Okay, like this you can create a table, the formatted table itself. Okay, and you can enter here the values. Just for example, I'm putting here names and all. Okay, test1 mark. If you are considering it's for 100 marks, okay, I'm just putting, for example, it is. Then again, okay, like this you can enter the data. Okay, like this you can enter the data, and just I will increase the font size here because it will be easy for you to see. You can increase the font size. Okay, you can make this alteration also for your table. Okay, and you can find the total by using auto sum. Okay, it's giving the auto sum here. Press enter and you can drag this one. When the pointer will be like dark plus mark, just drag auto sum. It will be filled with total. Okay, like this you can enter many records here. See here, you can format this table by using the table option only. Just click on this here, insert here, table tools are there. See here, table tools will be displayed on the screen, and you can change the format of a table. Whichever style you want, you can make changes. So many different predefined styles are there. Whichever style you want, you can apply to your table. Okay, if you don't want any format, then select this one. Format is not there. Otherwise, whichever you want, you can select that one. Okay, and if you don't want this column header, here header row is there. Okay, read that option there, turn on or off the header row. Okay, if you deactivate that, the header row will remove from the memory, remove from this screen. Okay, if you want again, you can press that one. Okay, then if you want to change the first column, highlight, that time first column you can select. Okay, that will be highlighted. If you want to make highlighted bold for a last column, then select last column here. Okay, if you don't want, you can change. Okay, if you want to place total row, automatically the total row will be placed here. Okay, total row. I'll enter some more options here of records here. Okay, you can enter like this. Okay, just I'll drag this one. Okay, for a total, you can give the formula just here by auto sum. Else you can give equal to, here auto sum already means you have not studied the sum. So auto sum you can give. Here you can select sum. Okay, it will give sum of these cells. Okay, like this table you can place, and you can make changes also through the table tool options. Here already all the tools are there for a table. That is table header row. If you want, you can give table header row, activate. Otherwise, don't want, deactivate this. Total row, if you want, you can activate or deactivate. Okay, okay, branded rows. Okay, if you don't want the plain rows, just branded rows if you want, you can remove. Okay, banded columns here. Okay, you can place banded columns or banded rows. Activate, deactivate. You can see the changes over here. Okay, first column you can highlight and last column you can highlight. Okay, that you can do from table style options. These are different styles. You can apply this to your table. Okay, this is about your table. Okay, this is about your how to insert a table. You can only just create the table using the cell, using these cells, else you can use this insert table option to insert the table. Okay, next we are going to see the pivot table option. It's very important, pivot table. Okay, in an exam also they'll ask how to insert pivot table or what is pivot table, like this. It is summarize data using a pivot table. You can summarize the data using a pivot table, and it's very easy to arrange and summarize complicated data, and you can take different types of reports from the pivot table. Okay, just we'll see that one now, how to do the pivot table. For that, one more table I am taking here. This is a table. It's one simple table here. Date I have entered, customer name is there, description is there, place is there, quantity is there, price is there, and sale is there. Okay, this is one simple table here, just about sales details of computers. It is one table which is giving sale report of a computer parts. Okay, hardware parts of a computers. It's one sale report, sale table. Using this, how to create pivot table, that we are going to see now. It's one table, just you can take 3 columns or 4 columns. For explanation, I am taking here 8 columns. Okay, 7 columns here. You can make only simple table using only 3 columns. Okay, you can practice this one, else you can take only 3 columns. Using 3 column also you can do the pivot table. I am taking here 7 columns. First column is date, second is customer name, third description, then place, quantity, price, and a sale. Okay, it's a table pivot. It is one table. Using this we are creating pivot table. Here pivot table is nothing but it will summarize your data, and it helps to take a report from these all records. Here many records are there. If you want only the place details, like how in a different places group wise. Okay, if you make group of places, and you can take only Sirsi's quantity, Sirsi's sale, okay, details, or any Mundgod sale details, like that you can make a different reports from using a pivot table. Okay, that we are going to see now. Just select this table now. First step, select the table, click on insert pivot table. Okay, already you have selected, so no need to select now. Here, see here, create pivot table. This dialog box will be open. In this, choose the data that you want to analyze. Okay, select the table or range. I have selected the table range. Already I have selected. Okay, this one where you want to place the pivot table as a report. I am taking here new worksheet, because existing worksheet if I take, it will be it creates confusion. Okay, just new worksheet. Already it is selected. New worksheet. Just to press OK. No other changes. Select a table or data or a range. I have selected, and I am selecting new worksheet. Just press OK here. In a new worksheet, you are getting like this. Here pivot table. It's showing message to build a report. Choose fields from the pivot table field list. And here in a pivot table, it's showing field list. See here, pivot table field list. These field lists are from that created table. Already we have created one table of a sales report. In that the fields are date, customer name, description, place, quantity, price, and sale. Okay, total 7 columns are there. Below that, see here, drag fields between areas below. Here report filter is there. Okay, column label, row labels, value. Like this 4 columns are there. Okay, just see what I am doing and how automatically this table will be changing. In a row labels, you have to select character fields like name field or any description field or any place field. You have to take in a row labels. Okay, I am taking here, I want the report according to the customer name. So I am taking first customer name and drag and drop to row labels. Okay, automatically it's changed. See here, it's formatted row labels. Okay, and it's showing the computer centers names. Okay, here Galaxy Computers, High Tech Computers, Intech Stores, New Technology. Like this it's showing. Okay, I will change the font size here. I'll select the whole this one and I'll change the font size because it will be easy for you to see this one. Okay, and if I press on this only, you are getting here pivot table field list. If I press here, you won't get here. Okay, you have to click on this pivot table only. Then you are getting here pivot table field list. It will show on the screen. First step is I placed customer name into row labels. Then I want the quantity. Okay, how much quantity they have in their center, the products. Then I'll select quantity and I'll place in values. Okay, you can see here. Sum of quantity. Okay, Galaxy Computer is having 300 quantity and High Tech Computer is having 180. Intech Stores is having 350. Like this, automatically it will show. Now, if I want only this report, if it's having only 20-25 records, so easily you can verify. If you have 1000 records, okay, in a group, if you want to search which center is having how much quantity, at that time it is very easy. Just place the customer name in a row labels and a quantity in a values. Automatically you will get a report of this table. Okay, you can differentiate which computer center is having how much quantity product in their stores. Okay, now again I want sales information. Okay, how many products they have sold. Just I can place sale into values. Okay, you can get this report also. Sum of sale. Okay, that will be displayed on the screen. You are getting here the computer center name and sum of quantity and sum of sale and grand total also. Okay, is it clear? Just you can get the report according to the different values like customer name, quantity, sale. Only 3 fields I had taken and I created this pivot table. Okay, easily you can get here these computer centers is having this much quantity products and they have sold this much. This report you can take and you can take the printout of this very easily using pivot table. Okay, and you can place filter over here. Here report filter is also there. Means according to place, if you want to see the report, then you can take place as a filter. You can place this field in a filter. Filter means it's showing all places reports. I want only the Dharwad report. Then I can choose this Dharwad. Then okay. Only from Dharwad, only new technology is there. Only that place information it's showing. Okay. It is just like filter. Already you have used sort and filter in a previous home tab. Okay, same thing here we are using. If I want only the Sirsi report, I can select Sirsi, just okay. The only Sirsi reports it's showing. Okay, if I want Hubli report, just select Hubli and place okay. Okay, if in a Hubli different centers are there, automatically it will show all the centers name. Just I am taking now all. Okay, it's displaying all the information. Okay, then I can place this place in a row labels. Okay, like this also it will show. Okay, you can say here as a customer name and as a place. You can see both. Okay, based on price also you can see, or based on the description if you want, and place the description in a row labels. Okay, see here, you can see this report based on description also. You can get this report easily, like Galaxy Computer is a center, it is in Mundgod. In this center you are having laptop, monitor, smartphone, this much quantity and this much sold. Okay, like that only. High-tech computer, place is Sirsi, and you are having the products as laptop and LCD monitor. The quantity will be this much and they sold this much. Okay, easily you can get the report from this pivot table. Okay, you don't want place, then again you can remove the place from this and place again there itself. Okay, place is removed now. Only the you are having center name and the product name. Okay, description of a product. Okay, if you don't want product also you can remove, or only the product if you want, you can place the product. You can remove this center names also, name also. Okay, you can make many different changes over here. Okay, if you don't want anything, just remove all the fields. Again you place. Okay, here I removed the center customer name, then only the product name it's showing. Okay, like this easily you can make reports using a pivot table. Here, if anybody asks, okay, give the product list, quantity and sale of a product, then you can go for this report. According to the customer, if you want, place the customer here, and according to the customer you can see you can get the report. Okay, you can place description below, customer above, then you will get this one. Okay, there also according to the sorting, like customer name first, after that you can place description here. You can make changes, whatever changes you want you can make a changes. Okay, it will be very easy for you to get the reports from this simple table. Here in this table you should be clear. Date is there, customer name is there, description is there, place is there, quantity, price, sale is there. Based on whatever the report, if they are asking only the description, product names, then you can place description there. They want the report according to the place, you can place there in a row value place. And quantity, if they want, the quantity will be placed in values. Price and sale will be placed in a values. It's there in a sheet tab. Now if we place the same thing, okay, in a column wise, I'll remove everything. Okay, I'll place again in a different format. Okay, just I want according to the column wise. That time you can place customer name in a column label. Then you can place the sale in a values. Automatically you will get like this. Okay, and quantity also if you want, you can place quantity. This is column wise report. Okay, before we have taken row wise report, but now I am taking column wise. You can place this also in a row labels, quantity. See here, if I place quantity, I'll remove the quantity, I'll place according to the place I want. See here, you can see this one. Here, according to the place, Dharwad, new technology is there. Total sale is 262. Like that one, the Hubli, it is in tech stores, it is 298. Mundgod, it is Galaxy Computers, 180. Sirsi, it is high-tech computer, 166. Total, 906. Like this also you can take a report, column wise. Means from the table you can take the report column wise as well as row wise. If you don't want, just place it again to same place. Okay, now I want date wise. Just place the date here in a row label. Then I want according to place, then in a column wise place, I want the sales. Okay, like this also you can get. Date wise, it will be date wise. date wise and place wise. Okay, in which place, in which date the product is sold. Okay, like this also you can take. Okay, whichever field you want, you can place it in a row labels, column labels, and in a values. Always in a values we'll place the numerical values like quantity, price, and a sale. Again, you want the price, you can place here. Okay, it is according to the price also it will show. Okay, if you don't want sale report, you can remove the sale. According to the price, total how much amount they got day wise, that also you can see price. Here we have taken only 3 fields: place, date, and price. Means on which date, which place, how much amount they got, price. Okay, that also you can see. We have not calculated, just we have placed the product price itself. We have not calculated the sales price. Okay, it is a product price. Okay, like this you can place the things in a pivot table and you can get the report from the pivot table. If you don't want, you can again place the things. I want now according to the customer name. Okay, and I want the sales report. Okay, just I can place only these two. Okay, it will show sum of sales. Quantity also, if you want, you can place the quantity. Okay, this is a pivot table. You can make the reports from the data of a table. Okay, if you have the table data, the table data can be changed to row wise and column wise, and you can take different types of reports from the pivot table. Okay, and illustrations we'll see in next class. Just go through this table option and pivot table and practice the same thing. Okay, in a daily basis, recorded classes you watch and practice the same thing. If you have any doubts, you can ask a query, you can send a message. Here, simple thing, table means already you studied in a MS Word, inserting table and all. Table is having always rows and columns. Here also, inbuilt table we are placing on the Excel worksheet. In that, you can format the table, you can make changes, okay, and you can enter the data. Like that only pivot table means already you have a data. Using that data, you are creating a pivot table. From that, you are taking different reports. Easily you can, like 1000 record also if you are having, using those 1000 records, you can make different reports. You can take easily the reports from the pivot table. Complicated things also you can summarize and you can take a reports from the data table. Okay, is that clear? Next class we will see the illustration options. Okay, in our next class we are going to discuss from the insert tab illustrations options. Okay. Okay, I'll end the class here. Next class we'll see illustrations of options. Okay, be at home, be safe. Thank you.